What's up guys? I got a new spark plug tester today. Now, I also have new spark plugs for both Harley and Yamaha. I'll be taking the old spark plugs off the bikes and use a tester to see the differences. Harley Davidson genuine stock spark plugs, NGK Iridium Spark plugs, and these are for Yamaha. Let's take a look at the old spark plugs. Okay, these are from my Harley. Okay, the old ones. As you can see, the ground electrode is looking very white. It's running lean. In Japan, we have a very strict emission law, so all Harleys are running lean like that. So that's kind of standard here. Yeah. Now, Yamaha spark plugs here. They are looking pretty good actually, looking nice and brown. So that's looking very good, both spark plugs. Now, for Yamaha, I got this Iridium Spark plugs, so they are looking a little different, slightly different. I mean, the ground electrode here is looking a little thinner, and is supposedly giving, better sparks. You can see the center electrode here is smaller too. Can you tell that? The center electrode here is smaller than the other. Okay, now it's the time to use this tester. Let's first test the Harley spark plugs. Here's the old one. Okay, it goes right in there. And the new one. Like that. Okay, so let's turn it on. Alright, so yeah, maybe you can see better like that. It seems to me sparks are both good, but the one on the left side, the old one, it's kind of jumping all over the place. So the one on the right side is looking a little more consistent. Maybe a higher RPM. Like that? Yeah, definitely the new one is better. Yeah. There you go. Let's try testing the other one. Well, the old spark plug from Yamaha, okay, NGK spark plugs, the standard stock spark plug. And it's kind of short, so I hope it works. Okay. Now like that. Okay, turn it on. Can you see the sparks? Yeah. Go higher. Yeah, definitely. This one is a lot more consistent than the other one. This is like super consistent actually. Well, of course, the center electrode is smaller on this one, so it's more consistent for sure. There you go. Let me go ahead and turn the lights off and you can see it better. Harley spark plugs with darker environment. They're both stock. Low RPM to higher. In comparison to the Iridium spark plugs, this one is new, but it still is looking slightly, inconsistent, like it's jumping all over the place. Okay, with the lights off. Yeah, the new one definitely is better. It's really consistent. Higher RPM, lower RPM. Combustion efficiency is better if the sparks are consistent like this. I guess that's what these Iridium Spark plugs are for. So the spark plug tester is really reasonable. It's like 30-40 bucks. So I highly recommend you getting one and then try checking the spark plugs sometimes, you know, for better engine life. All good. I may be able to tell you how well the engine is running after a few months, especially this one. They both got new spark plugs, my Harley and Yamaha. But the ones on Yamaha, they are Iridium spark plugs and they are supposedly better than the stock ones, so let's see how it goes. Anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you again soon.